First, open the test software. Click on View. There are multiple languages available for switching, so switch to English now. Click on Edit here. This is height. This is hardness. This is preload. This is durability. And this is full. Before delivery, as the manufacturer, we have pre-configured the machine's parameter settings for customers. There is no need for them to make any modifications. Click Manage, then click Open Record. Before testing, a new document needs to be created. Click Manual Control. Click Box 0 All. Click Test. The device will then start testing. This mattress rolling compression test chamber is very easy to operate. This device supports automatic operation, with no manual intervention required during runtime. This middle line serves as the central point of the equipment. Additionally, attention should be paid to the placement of the mattress, as it is now. Okay, the mattress needs to be placed vertically like this. It is crucial to emphasize the following key point. The mattress should be placed with this line as its central point.